Hey there, I am Amrit, your host from Amrit Inspire, and welcome to the podcast where we will explore living with AI and wellness in a fast changing world. This isn't just a normal podcast, it's your weekly space to slow down, reflect, and reset, one bite sized episodes at a time. Every week, I bring you quick, real, and easy to digest conversations around how we are living, creating, parenting, and thinking in this tech driven world. I talk about topics that matter to all of us, like how to use AI without feeling overwhelmed, how to protect your mental health, how to stay creative when burnout creeps in, and how to lead a more intentional, balanced life. If you are someone who wants to stay curious, feel inspired, and make small shifts that matter, you're in the right place, my friend. So hit the subscribe or follow button on Spotify, YouTube, Apple, or Amazon, wherever you are listening, and come along every day. You will also find me sharing behind the scenes tips and thoughts on Instagram at Amrit Inspire. So don't forget to subscribe. Let's jump in to the topic. Let me ask you something real. Have you ever Googled any of these questions? How do I use AI to be more creative? Best AI tools for content creators. Is ChatGPT replacing writers? Canva AI versus real design. Which one is better? If yes, you are not alone. These questions are exploding right now. Creators, solopreneurs, students, even parents are all trying to figure out where they fit in a world where AI can now write, design, summarize, plan, and even edit our videos in seconds. So let's shift the mindset. The real question isn't, will AI replace my creativity? The better one is, how can AI help me do my creative work faster, better, and with less burnout? Let's unpack what that means. AI doesn't generate art, it generates options. And that's where the magic is, especially when you are stuck, overwhelmed, or out of ideas. Here's how creators are using AI today. A YouTuber asks ChatGPT to brainstorm 10 title variations and hooks and picks the best one from there. A small business owner uses Canva Magic to instantly draft Instagram posts, then edits the captions to match her voice. A podcaster uses Descript to remove filler words, fix orders, and speed up production. Parents are creating birthday invites using Midjourney, which turns their idea into a beautiful visual. No designer is needed in this. These aren't shortcuts, they are starting points. And when used right, AI clears the clutter. So you can focus on the one it can be replicated, which is your perspective. Let's pause and be honest with ourselves. If AI helps me write a script or design a post, is it cheating? Does it still count as mine? The truth is, it's not about effort, it's about authorship. AI is just a tool, like a fancy pen or a fast assistant, right? You decide the message, you approve the edits, you control the tone, style, pace, everything. Authenticity comes from intention, not typing every word by hand. If the output reflects you, it's still your voice. If you're curious but unsure how to start, here are 3-minute creative challenges for today. Open your ChatGPT, Canvas Magic Studio, or even Notion AI. Try this. Ask for 3 hook ideas for your next blog, video, or product. Generate a color palette that reflects your brand mood. Write a 15-second script into, then rewrite it in your own way. Start small and remix what it gives you. This is where your creativity fingerprint shines. So, here are the final takeaway from today. AI isn't here to replace artists. It is here to remove the blocks that keeps us from creating. The biggest risk isn't using AI, it's ignoring it and burning out while trying to do everything the hard way. So, Here is the mindset shift. AI is not the artist, you are. But every artist deserves better tools. Thanks for being here. If this helped reframe how you think about AI and creativity, hit the follow or subscribe button and share this with someone who's curious but unsure. And if you are experimenting AI in your work, I would love to hear about it. DM me on Instagram at AmritInspire. Tomorrow, we will go deeper into how AI is showing up in a mental wellness, from journaling apps to mindfulness check ins. It's going to surprise you. Until then, stay creative, stay curious, and be kind to yourself. Take care and bye for now.